Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. This is your Nair sir. I have been thinking this is one of the most biggest challenges a lot of kids I have found getting confused with the integer when it comes to addition and subtraction of integer. And I've been doing research, I've been finding out how easily I can teach them. That's a very, very important part. Okay, let's get kick started. There are some rules which I'm just going to talk about, and I'll be showing you some examples on it. Okay, integer, same sign. Okay, now when I say sign, what I mean, there are only two signs in mathematics. One is minus and one is plus. If you have got number which is same sign, what you just need to do is you need to add and put the sign. Simple. The second thing is, if I have got, let's say I'm just changing this to plus and I'm changing this to minus. Now, what does this says to me? Let me rub this off. Different sign, subtract and put the larger number sign. Wow, how do we do it? But there is one more thing which is very tricky on this is, I have learned this with my regular research. I have found that a lot of kids get confused. Given an example, 7 plus 3. Oh, sir, this I know the answer is 10. I will put the numbers in the bracket. Now, the first step which I need to do is open the bracket. This is plus. Remember, plus is your friend. With whomsoever it is sitting before it, he is a friend. He is not going to change anything. He will remain as it is. And what you get? 7 plus 3. Same sign. Add and put the sign. Answer is plus 10. Second example. Minus 7 plus minus 3. Okay, what happens in this? Open the bracket. Plus, again, he is not going to change. He is your friend. So, remains the same. And then, what is this? I have told you, same sign, add and put the sign. So, I add them and I get the answer as minus 10. Am I clear? Let me take the third part for you. Okay, let me just rub this. Oh, he's a friend. Don't forget, plus is your friend. Okay, so let's see on this now. 7 plus minus 3. What happens? Plus is a friend. 7, open the bracket. He remains the same. He doesn't change the sign. Minus 3. What do you get? 7. Different sign. Subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. What is a bigger number? 7 is a bigger number. What is the sign? Plus. Now let's go to the next one. Minus 7 plus 3. Open the bracket. Plus is your friend, so he's not going to change the sign. Plus 3. What is the rule? Different sign, subtract, and which is a number which is naturally big. I'm not saying minus 7 is small. 7 is large. So sign is minus. It's minus 4. Now, this is something which is very important. This is addition. Okay. Now comes up is, if I'm talking about difference. Okay, watch on this. Most of the kids, I have been teaching for all the grades, and I have found this to be the biggest challenge. 7 minus 3. Oh my God, minus. Minus is like your naughty brother, naughty sister, or your naughty friend. He is going to change. What is this sign over here? It is plus. What is he going to do? Open the bracket. he will change the sign. And now apply the rule. What is the rule? Same sign. Add different sign. Subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. Now take another example. 7 minus 3. 7 come out of the bracket minus. He changes the sign of, what is the sign for minus 3? Minus 3. He will change it. Now the same rule, same sign. Add and put the sign. Now the last, okay, second last, not last, second last. Minus 7. Let me rub this. I think. Now, kids, I have seen most of the kids making this mistake. That is the reason I just picked up on this. Minus 7 minus 3. What happens? Minus 7, gently he comes out and he remains minus 7. Now, this minus is the operation. He is very naughty. What he does? He changes. What is this? Minus. What is the opposite of minus? Plus 3. What happens? Different sign, subtract and put the sign, bigger number sign. Okay. Now the last part, minus 7 minus plus 3. What happens? Open the bracket. This minus, what is this sign? It's plus. What is he going to do? He is going to change the sign. Minus 7 minus 3 makes it same sign. Add and put the sign. Okay, kids, the whole idea is integer is bit confusing. Okay, and this particular rule number 1, I will just go back to the rule. Let me clear this all. Let me just do this. Let me see. Okay, the rule. 1 minute. Let me remember this rule. 1 minute. 1 minute. I think there is something which is not gone right. Okay. Okay. The whole idea was to teach you how you should look at integer, how you should calculate, and how you should do it correctly, because integer plays a very, very important role. I have seen from grade 6 to grade 11 making silly mistake. They get confused. So whenever you've got subtraction, whenever you've got something called a difference, remember that he is a naughty brother of yours. And what he's going to do? He is going to change the sign, whatever it is. Okay. Have a lovely day, kids. If you like this video, do share it across to your friends and enjoy mathematics. Thank you very much. And do subscribe my channel. If you like it, share it with your friends, because end of the day, everyone is supposed to be a math magician. Thank you.